So here we are, guys, Erwin and Eva with the SuperVi team, and we are just opening up an eagerly anticipated package here. We are just opening up one of 3 packages. I have a feeling I know what this is. It might be our ND, it might be our, what is it, Eva?
I think it's our ambassador stuff.
No, I think this is ND. Alright, so, okay, here's the pin. Okay, let's open it up. And the only reason I'm saying I think it's ND is because I just left Awesome Supermarket in Jennifer's place, and they got an exact binder like this, and it was their ND package. So let's open this up. What does that say on the other side there? It says life,
health,
and prosperity, because ViSalus is life, health, and prosperity. It says congratulations, new national director. All right. Signed by Blake Mallon, Ryan Blair, Nick Sarnicola. It says there, certificate of achievement. Okay. Eva doesn't want any pictures, but she's excited. That is my wife. Okay. So we got a nice, beautiful, leather-bound notepad. These are for all of the names and the contacts and prospects that we're going to fill in there for the month of November to help them win their BMW. Now, I think that's our ambassador. So this is all live. So let's get rid of the plastic. Okay. All right. So let's move this over. Let's see, we've got some of our ambassador cards. Let me just while Eva's opening up the second pack, you see our ambassador cards. Guys, when you go ambassador, you get complimentary black ambassador cards, and I don't know if you can see that there, but that's our title, Lifestyle Transformation Specialists. What do we got here?
Woo woo.
Yes, I think this is what I'm thinking it is. This is I think this is the ambassador pen. Let's okay, Eva, what are you seeing here?
Yes.
All right, so we have another envelope. Presidential. All right. Congratulations, new presidential directors. And there it is. And guys, the reason why we're getting these packages all together is because we had such a monumental success run in the month of September. We literally went RD, ND. You just saw we opened up our ND package, and PD just now. This is our PD. So we got all the pins. And we got here a beautiful pen. Woo, look at that. Nice pen, again, to write down names and prospect
awesome.
in our book.
In our book.
All right, and we have yet
one more package,
and I definitely think I know what this one is. So, all right, we'll put that all back together. Okay, so let's just move that down here. Let's make a little runway landing here. All right, this is the one. Okay, don't cut yourself now, babe. Be careful. All right. So let's see. Let's both open it together. All right, there it is, guys. This is what I and Eva and I have been waiting for. Look at it.
Awesome.
It's got our name embossed there. Erwin McKen and Eva McKen, ViSalus Ambassador. Isn't that awesome?
That's awesome.
So this is a beautiful travel bag, and there it is, guys. There is, look at that.
Wow.
That is our ambassador pin. Beautiful. Beautiful. You see all the diamonds around that.
And the check.
And of course our super bonus check. Okay, $25,000. We're excited about that bonus level. And what's kind of neat is we've already almost made this at the time of this video, so that's pretty cool. Okay, and we've got a letter congratulating us on hitting ambassador in only 60 days, and here's our certificate of achievement for ambassador. So awesome, 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 guys. And we just wanted to show you what you can look forward to as you build your ViSalus business. Because remember, ViSalus is life, health, and prosperity. Prosperity. See you guys. Envision your ND, PD, and ambassador package coming to you soon. We'll see you at the top.